one of 2 bridges we've gone across. But trail's pretty rolling up and down. Oh yeah. This Boyd Gap.
Want to go take a picture?
Nah. Boyd Gap. Boyd Gap overlook. Yeah. It's pretty. This is where the crapper is. Yeah. Hey. Pretty. Pretty. Oh, hey. Okay, let's see. This is downhill from Boyd Gap. Surely that's not it. Nope, more. Little tree. Oh, briars. Oh, slid off the trail. Oh, another slide. Another slide. Well, twisty. Okay. Is that the end? Surely not. Still climbing. This is where you come out from Boyd Gap. And apparently we go down the road from here. Mud. Wow. I don't see this drying up anytime soon. Yeah.
I don't see this drying ever.
I don't know what those boards are supposed to do, but just extra hazards. Oh wow, just mud. This is a cool bridge you go across. Little mini trestle, and then this waterfall over here. That is pretty cool. Wow, look at this. These slab rocks and then the river through there. Of course, these crappy ass roots. There's a bunch of them. Now, that's not even the bad section. Okay. Cool. That's where the Olympics were, 96. See out that way. Cool pathway in the rocks. We're gonna go over here and start climbing. It's gonna suck. A little downhill, I already missed half of it. Hey, I'm getting slack on remembering to start the camera. Old age. I got old timer's disease. And of course, as soon as I do hit the recording, button, we go up, which is not as much fun to watch or hear me heavy breathing. It'll go down again here in a minute. Spider web. Well, it's not all downhill, but you get to see how chunky it is and what a drop off to the right. Not much of a shoulder. Oh. Yeah. Now Thunder Rock downhill. Well, at some point. My headset or bar or something's creaking bad. Still going up. Bumpy. And there's a couple of drops. Oh. Oh. Y'all didn't see that. Yeah. Caught the edge of the lip. At least I kept it upright. Huh? Yeah, almost went off. Oh yeah, keep your speed and roll off that. But then I was in the wrong gear. Out and open. Power line city, I guess. Good way to slow you down, these banked turns after a long downhill. Oh, there's a jump. Oh, I guess you could have rolled it. Oh, gears are skipping. First bridge. Of course, you gotta slow up if it's wet, but it's not. But it's usually always wet right here. And then I think a steep section. You definitely feel it in your hands. Oh, there's like a steep line to the left back there where you pretty much have to jump. Another bridge coming up somewhere. Keep going so fast sometimes it's blurry. At least my eyesight is. It's a long downhill. Sam thought it was 2 miles, but it seems longer. And that's odd because you're going downhill, so it typically downhill goes by so fast. Oh, here's the second bridge. Gotta watch for this drop off. There we go. And we're back to the road. And down to the parking lot.